Hi, welcome to my English lessons. In this course, we will see, with practical and easy explanations, the most common and important subjects of the English language. Personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Pronouns with the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Phrases with the verb to be. Origin. The car is German. The wines are Spanish. The pizza is Italian. The grapes are French. The wood is Canadian. The cigarettes are American. Vodka is Russian. The television is Japanese. Phrases with the verb to be. Indeterminate articles. Occupation or profession. He is a teacher. She is a nurse. She is a doctor. Mary is an accountant. We are students. They are carpenters. Peter is a fireman. I am an auditor. Phrases with the verb to be. Features, colors, and events. The flowers are pretty. The house is big. The sky is blue. The cars are white. The meeting is on Friday. The concert is tomorrow. Phrases with the verb to be, condition, persons. I am tired. She is very busy. The dog is sad. We are worried. The boys are bored. Phrases with the verb to be, preposition, in, equal, in, on, at. Places and things. The cat is on the bed. The children are at the beach. The beach is in Mexico. The office is in New York. The coffee is hot. The store is closed. The rooms are dirty. The floor is wet. There are refers to the existence of people, animals, places, and objects. There are many kids in the garden. There is a bird in the tree. There are great mountains in Asia. There is air conditioning in the car. Is there a bank around here nearby? Are there rooms available? How many restaurants are there here? Where is there a shop